Tinashe Nash Paints factory catches fire. This is what has been happening in the streets, people of Zimbabwe and all around the world. Tinashe Boss, who is the owner of Nash Paints, Nash Furnitures and Nash TV, has had a problem at his factory, where his factory was burnt to ashes, as you can see in the picture. But what has made everyone to be so sad about this whole situation is not only that this has happened, but few months ago, on the 8th of February, there was a post that Tinashe posted, and it reads, "Sometimes the abuse we get from these corrupt officials is unbelievable. I'm not one to complain, but sometimes people can just abuse their authority, share, or I ban everything you have. If you really care for the thousands that benefit from this thing, give me a cut. Ban it then. Munwesane breaking point. Enough is enough. The good thing I kept resists." Hold on. Judging from this statement alone, you can tell that Tinashe was tired, whether of corrupt officials when he wanted to register this new company called Foodies, or there could be some issues that was happening with him at Nash Paints, and people always wanted bribes. This is very bad for our business people and the people that are going to benefit from this employment. I've been at this factory not once but 3 times, and I'm seeing families that are being taken care of by this establishment. It's really sad to see how people abuse power to this extent. Anyway, tell me what you think about this whole issue, and what do you make of the banning of Nash Paints? Do you think it is an inside job, or it was just a mistake that happened at the factory? I don't think it was just a mistake. Something happened from the inside. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you on the next one.